Hello dear viewers. A small video from the event where I first participated as a judge. This is the Championship of Excellence in Stretch Ceiling Party Asia. Competitions Ceiling Party Asia were held in Almaty, Kazakhstan. There were 3 judges in total, and this is not an easy job. Need to identify the best in our area of stretch ceilings. Many criteria for the quality of the work performed are evaluated, and points are given for each stage of the installation of a stretch ceiling. For example, joints of various profiles, safety measures, quality of electrical work and, of course, stretching the ceiling. And here are the winners. I got a very interesting experience in this championship. There is something to think about and improve in the system of evaluation of participants. See you guys in new videos.